Welcome everyone to this demo where we're going to demonstrate how to integrate OPA bundles into Glue platform. OPA relies on attribute-based access control because a user is more defined with a full set of attributes rather than only its role. OPA works intercepting the request coming to our service in order to give an answer to a simple question. Can the request perform the action, yes or no? In order to define that answer, OPA executes policies and uses data. But the data is not needed to be persisted locally. It can be pulled from a remote source. Those sources can be an S3 bucket, Stira, Minio, Google Cloud, or, as we're going to demonstrate, a simple HTTP server. In our demo, we're going to intercept a request in our ingress gateway, which is going to query Exot service in order to leverage within the OPA server and allow the request or not. The bundle is pulled in parallel, as we're going to see. The configuration is done to be downloaded in a period of 10 seconds. So let's go to run the demo. What we have here is that we've got deploy inside our auth service the OPA as a sidecar, like we can see described here. As well, we've deployed our policy administration point, which is an HTTP service, simple Nginx, like we have here. We have configured OPA already to pull from HTTP server, and we can see the logs from the OPA sidecar. Once we apply new policies into our HTTP server, OPA will pull that bundle and enforce the policies within them. So we can see this in the policy. We created a policy, and as we can see, what we are gonna use is package my package, rule name, my rule. If we go to the rego that we've got, we have my package, my rule, allow true. Alright, so this is what we've got so far. So as you can see here, I'm just running queries 200. Let's change it to false. Now let's see how this behaves. Now what I'm going to do is let me show you. We are gonna upload the bundle into the HTTP server, and we're gonna restart the service. Hard refresh. Suddenly we will see that OPA realized that there is a new bundle. It's gonna download it here, and suddenly we will see that now the policy is enforced and we will be blocked. There you are, and we start to be blocked as we define in our regular rule. Now let's get it back. It's back to true. We upload to the HTTP server, and once again we will see that now we are back to 200. So this server, the intention of this is that this server, which is now in my cluster, in a real scenario will be remotely in AWS S3 or Google Storage, somewhere else remotely. And my sidecar, OPA sidecar, is gonna pull from those sources the new policies. So those policies can be administrated remotely. In another session, we will go deep to what we can do with the policies, because as we can see here, we are just changing the value from allowed to true or false. But as we said in the presentation, we were talking about all the attributes. So we can take whichever attribute from the request or from any other source in order to define here if the user is allowed or not. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.